Police have registered a case against prominent film actors Venkatesh and Rana Daggubati along with their family members in connection with the illegal demolition of the Deccan Kitchen Hotel located in Film Nagar. This action follows a tumultuous political backdrop involving allegations of poaching, TRS MLAs and land disputes. Now, the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, GHMC, had previously partially demolished the hotel in November 2022 due to unauthorized construction by Nanda Kumar, who leased the property from the Daggubati family. However, in January 2024, the Daggubati family took matters into their own hands and completely demolished the structure, despite an existing injunction from a city civil court and orders from the Telangana High Court to maintain the status quo. Now, the FIR has named several key figures, which includes producer Daggubati Suresh as accused number one, followed by his brother Venkatesh, his son Rana and Rana's brother Abhiram. They face serious charges under various sections of the Indian Penal Code, including house trespass and criminal conspiracy. Now, we will take a look as to what exactly has gone down. To understand this better, our colleague Gautam Shankar joins us on the broadcast to give us more details. Gautam, a very good morning to you. And from what we understand right now, the Daggubati family is facing heat with regards to the Deccan Kitchen Hotel demolition case. What exactly has gone down? We are showing a timeline of the case. Bring us more details.
Absolutely, Shreya. It does seem to be very troubling times to be associated with the Telugu film industry right now in Telangana, given what has happened with Allu Arjun and then Ram Charan as well, and now with Rana Daggubati. So, in connection with this case, as you rightly mentioned, the case has been filed against Rana Daggubati, his brother Abhiram Daggubati as well, and also veteran star Venkatesh and Telugu film producer Suresh Babu. So the entire Daggubati family has been booked in this case under sections 448, 452, 458 and 120B, which basically has to do with trespass and criminal conspiracy. With regard to this case, the Film Nagar police yesterday registered a case and said that this is regarding the demolition of the Deccan Kitchen, which took place last year. Now, the case dates back to November 2022, where the GHMC, which is the local civic body in Hyderabad, had partially demolished this hotel, which was then owned by this individual identified as Nanda Kumar. And once this particular land was taken on lease from the Daggubati family, and Nanda Kumar eventually approached the High Court, and he had ordered, which the High Court had ordered status quo, which meant that no more demolition could take place. But in January 2024, the Daggubati family, they allegedly completely demolished the structure, and Nanda Kumar has approached the local court, the Napali court, for violation of court orders, and that is when this case has now been booked against the Daggubati family here, Shreya. And also important to note that Nanda Kumar, he has claimed that the demolition has cost him a loss of 20 crore rupees. And there's also a little bit of interesting background to who this Nanda Kumar is as well, because he is not new to legal controversies. He was previously implicated in this 2022 poaching of BRS MLAs. Then it was known as Telangana Rashtra Samiti. Given the complexity of the situation in 2022, the GHMC had demolished parts of this Deccan Kitchen Hotel and several other structures that were constructed by Nanda Kumar. So it will be interesting to see what will really develop through the day yesterday.